Hi, this is Dr. Namrata. Today in this video, I will tell you about a very effective homeopathic medicine to cure your chronic constipation. So, if you are chronic sufferer of constipation, then this video is going to be very useful for you because today I will tell you the top 5 homeopathic medicine to cure your constipation permanently. So, video is very informative. Watch till then. Stay with me. Let's get started. Starting the video, if you haven't not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming video. Let's talk about top 5 homeopathic medicine for constipation. Let's discuss about what is constipation. Constipation is that condition in which the patient is unable to pass its stool. Either stool is too hard or little stool is pass out, and also constipation is like that condition in which patient doesn't feel urge to pass his stool for 3 to 4 days. This condition is called as constipation. Let's talk about what are the causes behind it. There are the several causes are found. First reason is that if you don't proper hydrate yourself, you drink a less amount of water, this condition can lead to the constipation. Second is that if your diet has a poor fiber content, thus if you don't eat fruits, vegetables, salads or green leafy vegetables, due to the lack of fiber, due to the lack of water content, this can cause the constipation. Next is that the modern lifestyle. If you doesn't exercise, your life is sedentary, you are alcoholic, and also you eat outside unhealthy foods, and you have the prolonged sitting hour, this can lead to the constipation. So some common causes for the constipation. Let's talk about what are the top 5 homeopathic medicine to cure your constipation. The first medicine will be the Nux vomica. Nux vomica is a very important homeopathic medicine. The indication of the Nux vomica is that in this patient is unable to pass his stool. Patient always feel unsatisfaction. He feels that some stool is remain in the body. Patient trying to pass a stool every time, but every time when he went to the toilet, the little stool is passed. And also when the patient have the sedentary lifestyle, patient have the prolonged sitting hour, and also patient eat the outside unhealthy food, and also is the alcoholic. In this condition, you can use the Nux vomica. You can take Nux vomica in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in your tongue thrice in a day for 1 to 2 months. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the second medicine will be the Bryonia. Bryonia is also very important homeopathic medicine, especially if your stool is very hard and very dry, and large stool is passed, and this stool required great straining for passing. It can lead to the pain at the anus and the burning at the anus, and also the patient is a very thirsty and his tongue is a very dry, thickly coated tongue. In this condition, you can use the Bryonia. Take Bryonia in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in your tongue thrice in a day for 1 to 2 months. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the third medicine will be the opium. Opium also very important homeopathic medicine, especially it is indicated in the chronic constipation. It is indicated when the patient doesn't feel urge for the stool for 4 to 5 days, and patient eat very well, appetite is very good, but he doesn't feel urge for the stool for 6 to 7 days. In this condition, you can use the opium. And also the stool is a very hard and it requires great straining for the passing. In this condition, you can use the opium 30. Take opium in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in your tongue thrice in a day for 1 month. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the fourth medicine will be the Plumbum metallicum. Plumbum is also very important homeopathic medicine. The indication of the plumbum, that is there is an inactivity of the rectum. Patient doesn't feel urge to the stool, and also the stool is a very hard, requires great straining for the passing. In this condition, you can use the Plumbum metallicum. You have to take Plumbum metallicum in a 30 potency, 2 drops directly in your tongue thrice in a day for 1 to 2 months. Definitely you will get very good result. After that, the last medicine will be the Alumina. Alumina is a very important homeopathic medicine indicated in a bottle fed babies who drink milk, and after drinking milk, the infants and also adults have the inactivity of rectum, and the stool is normal but required great straining to pass. In this condition, you can use the Alumina. You have to take Alumina in a 30 potency thrice in a day directly on your tongue for 1 to 2 months. Definitely you will get result. if you are giving to your children, then 1 drops in a 1 spoon of water morning and evening for 1 week. Homeopathic medicine for your chronic constipation, that talks about what are the prevention for the constipation. You have to hydrate yourself properly. You have to drink at least 6 to 7 glass of water per day. Keep yourself proper hydrate, and you have to eat more fibers like fruits, vegetable, green leafy vegetables, salads, sprouts. And also you have to do exercise, you have to walk after dinner, and also you have to avoid alcohol and smoking, and also you have to avoid purgative laxative, and also take this medicine. Definitely you will get very good result. So friends, this was the discussion about the constipation top 5 homeopathic medicine. I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next.